especially in classics. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. Now you do see the Rally Sport badging on the side, FYI. Rally Sport Tribute, although this 327 badging up here is correct. It's at a 327 underneath the hood. It is a 1969 era according to the casting number, not representing it as numbers. We'll check out that engine bay here in a little bit. You can see cowl hood, white stripes on Rally green. This would have been a Rally green car to begin with, according to the data tag, code 79 for the paint. Midnight green trim, 723. Headlight doors do work, and we'll open those up when we start it up, let you hear it run. That 327 is paired up with an automatic transmission, FYI, and if you want to check out the engine bay, the underside interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description, is going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Let you get a good look at the front chrome paint. Shows well. You're going to find a few imperfections here and there, a little touch up like that right there. And I'll kind of point out a few as we go along and around the car. Take a look up and down the passenger side. See, the car is nice and straight. Riding on the Rally wheels. Trim rings, center caps look good. BF Goodrich radials. And of course, the midnight green interior with the vinyl buckets up front, center console, horseshoe shifter. Is a power top, white vinyl. The vinyl is in nice shape. The top's a newer top. It's obviously been replaced in like new condition, and like I said, we're going to put that up here at the end when we start it up. Check that out a little closer too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email. Check out the rear chrome and the bumper. Looks good. Backup lights. A couple of the other imperfections I noticed. We do have a slight one there, then a couple touch-ups there, and there's right there. But as you can see, pretty minor. You kind of get to get right on top of them to notice them. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Cocktail shakers were intact in the trunk. Did notice that. Of course, those were the vibration dampeners that were put in the first gen Camaro convertibles. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. FYI, there is a AM FM CD player, Alpine brand, in the glove box. Kept the original stock looking stereo in the dash. Some fading on the carpeting in the back. A few spots up in the front. Keep the mats in there. Looks good. Alright, of course, the power top switch down here. We'll run that up at the end of the video once again. So easily it starts. Hey, look at this. We even have a working clock, as well as gas gauge to the right. Stop looking at radio there. And of course, Alpine is in the glove box. And it does work. On the top of the dash. Take a peek at that passenger seat. It's a vinyl, nice shape. Look at the drivers here. Shows a little bit of wear in the piping. But overall, looks very good. Alright, let's go ahead and slip to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy as far as exhaust. Nice little rumble coming out of that 327. And speaking of the 327, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the top up, pop the hood. Let's check those out. We'll open up those headlight doors.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the white vinyl top. Again, power top. Functions as it should. Look at how nice and tight it fits along the windshield. No rips, tears, holes in this one. As you can see, it is definitely newer, been replaced. Coming around to the rear window, nice and clear, not discolored. See through it well. it's going to do its job. It's going to keep you dry or keep you out of the sun. The side windows do also fit nice on this one. I may have that in the still pictures for you. FYI, coming around to the engine bay. Let's start there. Again, 327, Eric correct. Putting the casting numbers, not representing it as numbers. Power steering, power brakes. Smooth running. Ooh. And nice and tidy. Wow. It's a good looking engine bay, that cowl hood. And of course, last but not least, there's your headlight doors open and working. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible Rally Sport Tribute. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.